All right, so we did some brainstorming yesterday, and now we are on pinpointing our audience. An audience is the person or people who will be reading our writing. Hopefully you have an idea. We came up with 5 different topics. Hopefully you have an idea of which one is your favorite, and you can kind of start thinking about who we're going to be writing to. So, in your Google Classroom, you will find Lesson 4, Pinpoint Audience, and you'll open that up, and that will get you here. So, why does knowing your audience matter? All right, so you can put in your own ideas, but I'm going to put in some bullet points of my own. You can write what I write, or you can put in your own words. So, bullet point 1, you want your writing to be read by a certain person or group of people, right? Make sure I have space here. Why does knowing your audience matter? Well, you want to tailor your writing to the audience so that they can easily read it and use the information. Okay, so why does your audience matter? You want your writing to be read by a certain person or group of people. And you also want to tailor your writing to the audience so that they can easily read it and use the information. How do you determine your audience? Well, you can determine your audience by thinking. It says think about who would benefit the most from your writing. Think about who you know that will read your writing and what their needs are. So this is kind of, being empathetic in our writing. The only way that people are really going to want to read what we're writing is if we think about them as we're writing it and then kind of tailor it to them. So kind of write what we feel like they want to know. Okay. What does this look like in real life? Well, let's give some examples. I know Judy Blume writes a book for kids, and their ages are from 9 to 12, right? That's our audience. So if the book is for 9 to 12-year-olds, then she's going to write it a certain way. Let's see, Oprah Winfrey writes a book for her adult audience, right? She writes for adults, so she's going to write it a certain way. News reporters write a news article, write news articles adults who are interested in them. Okay, so everybody kind of writes to their audience. And then let's look at the last one. Who is the audience for your topic? Well, your topic, you're going to be writing to the local community, right? Local community members are my intended audience. Intended audience. All right. So we'll have to think about what do the local community members want to know about each topic that we brainstormed, right? So what do they want to know about forest fires? What do they want to know about COVID? What do they want to know about education and being able to provide that to a vaster audience? Obviously, we're going to choose one of those, but while you're thinking about your topic, also think about your audience. So please type this out. If I went too fast, please pause the video, type it, and then unpause it. All right, we'll be back here for lesson 5. Thank you.